Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles Makeup Monday video, and today we are going to be still testing out something we've already tested. I'm still trying to figure out ways because there's really nothing new out there that I've seen to try, so I'm trying to figure out ways to use some of these ones that I didn't really like. And this Milani Screen Queen, from what I can remember of when I tested it, I didn't like it because it didn't have enough coverage. I think it might have sunk into lines too. So we're gonna test this, and then we're gonna top it with this Milani Cream to Powder, because I know when I tried this, I didn't like it either. So we're gonna mix them together and see if we can figure out a way to use them. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm going to use my Tarte Base Tape primer because I didn't before. I usually do just to save time, but I didn't. So we'll put this on, and then I'm going to put on the Screen Queen. I can't even say that. Screen Queen foundation from Milani. And what color is mine? Natural beige. So I'm just going to put a pump on the back of my hand. Wow, it's thick. I don't remember it being thick. Maybe that's why it sunk into lines. I'm hoping that the cream to powder will keep it from sinking into lines, but I'm kind of thinking maybe that was one of the things I didn't like about that too. Hopefully we can get this to work though. That's the idea. Just get it to work. Even if maybe I'm just going to use this and then spot, like conceal with the powder. But I'm definitely going in real light with the powder. I'm not going to go in with a sponge like I did when I was using it as a foundation. I'm just going to go in with it on a brush like a powder, even though it says cream to powder, so I'll have to check it out. We'll get there in a minute. But yeah, I definitely see zero coverage with this stuff, that's what I thought I remembered, was not liking it because it just didn't have anything to it. And as far as I remember, it wasn't that radiant either. And I thought it was supposed to be luminous, a natural finish, not a luminous finish. Well, that's natural. It's like you don't have anything on at all. All right, let's go ahead and put my concealer on first, since I'm going to be putting a powder on. Well, it's a cream to powder. We're still going to do this first. How did my mirror get so low? That was my Pat McGrath concealer. Get this all blended out. I think I told you guys I was getting that Grow Serum from Grande Lash or Grande Brow next week, so I'll be taking these off. These lashes have stayed on pretty good, not perfect. I mean, I have had to pull them off and put them back on because they tend to come up on the base at the spine. So I've had to pull them up a couple times and put them back on, but it's so quick, it's just no big deal. But when I start since I've had them on for over a week, like a week and a half, when I start the serum for my brows, I'm going to start my lash serum too. And so I'm going to take these off. But they're good. I do like them. I'm not thrilled with the glue because I feel like it's just, you know, like the other glues. These two glues, I think, from what I remember, these glues did better. These igloo ones, or eye glue, or whatever they're called. Seems like when I used those, they stayed on better. But they were different lashes and stuff too. Okay, let's go in with our Milani powder. And I think I'm just gonna try a brush like this. It's just flimsy enough, but it's still cream. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I can't even get it on here. And I just want to kind of go around where yeah, that's what I remember. That it really accentuates pores. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna like this. I was hoping, when I first bought this, I thought I was gonna love it. And then I tried it, and I didn't love it. But it took me a long time to get around to trying it, so I can't take it back now. So I'm trying to figure out a way to use it. So far, I haven't. It just doesn't go on perfectly because I just wanted it to. I don't know why I was thinking it was like a powder. It says cream 2 powder, so it's going on as a cream. But it is giving it more coverage. I just don't see how this is going to. It doesn't look like it's going to not sink into lines. And I was hoping I would not have to powder it with my It Cosmetics. But I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to because basically I powder everything. Because that's how you can keep it from sinking into lines. Anyway, we're going to powder it because it just looks too movable. Because I definitely would not recommend going out and buying both of these. I was just hoping that I would stumble across something wonderful, since there's really nothing new to try. But if nothing new comes out, we'll keep trying. Because I do have a bunch of them that I bought a whole bunch of them came out at once. So I went out and bought them all. Cat hair everywhere. And that was when I was going back and forth to California. And it just seems like I got stuck with a bunch that I don't like because it took me so long to try them all that, you know, you only have 60 days tops, 30 days really, for most places to take it back. And I didn't get it done, so I got a bunch of them that I don't like. All right, we're gonna move on, and since we're on a Milani kick, we're gonna use our Milani bronzer. I got powder all over me. And our Milani brush. No, this is not sponsored by Milani, it's just working out that way. Some color because it's kind of a light for me. Plus the fact I just got my hair done, and that always makes me look paler. Till I tan or something. And I'm not tanning till I get skinnier. Okay, now we're going to go in with our blush. I'm using the Dallas from Benefit. Has just a little bit of sheen to it. I love this blush. You guys already knew that though, right? Now we're going to go in with our Cookie from Benefit highlighter. Okay, I'm going to go off camera and do the rest of my makeup. I'll be back to check in and show you the look of the day, and then we will do a wear test to the end of the day. So far, I don't think it's going to get it. It doesn't look bad right now, though. I just don't think it looks great either. I don't think I've found that new holy grail thing. I don't know what I'm doing. All right, I'll be back. Okay, guys, I am back. This is the look of the day. So far, this foundation has not changed at all. Oh, well, it is. It's already sinking into lines. And these lines, too, which is weird because I usually don't have too much problem with those lines. It's these ones that are usually horrible. But I can definitely see it sinking into lines. So, with that said, I don't think I need to do an all-day wear test, do I? It's already messed up. Oh well, it was a good try. And we shall continue to try and find ways to use these. I don't know about these two. I may just give these two away, probably, to somebody who doesn't have wrinkles. I have children who don't have wrinkles, so looks like they're going to get some new foundations. Okay, so I won't be back at the end of the day because I'm going to give it a thumbs down right now. This mix just does not improve it. I think that by the end of the day it's going to look exactly like it did when I tried it out the first time on its own. So I'm going to give it a thumbs down. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!